Okay, so if you have data in date and time format, let's suppose we have date time dot now. So we have date as well as time. You want to take date, so you can use date. It is equal to date time dot now dot date function. So it will return date. And if you want time, so write time t is equal to date time no, dot now dot time. Okay, so it will return the time. ठीक है, so you can use date time dot now dot date time dot now dot time. If you want date, you can take the date from that time. If you want time, you can take the time. Okay, if now I'm going to print the time hi system dot debug, and I have to write current time. So now I want to print custom time. So specific time I want to print it. So that time we will use time dot new instance. So first we have to write hour, then minute, second, millisecond. Okay, now I'm going to print it. System dot debug. So what time I'm going to print it. Okay. So if you want current date, you can use date dot now, sorry, date dot today and system dot today. If you want time, so you can use date time dot now or system dot now dot time, which method you want to use for current time. And if you want a specific time, you want to store a specific time, that time dot new instance. ठीक है, कोई डाउट यहाँ तक? Okay, next is date time. So I want to print today's date as well as time. So which method I will use? System dot now. Okay, so I'll get the current date as well as time. And if you want to print any specific time, so what you can do? you can use datetime dot new instance. So we have to select date as well as time. So first we will write the year, then I'm writing hour, minute, second, and I'm going to print it. Okay, so these information I'm going to debug it, means I'm going to print on console screen, and I also want to print it on Visual Force page to the client. So what I'm doing, I'm going to print it on Visual Force page. So go to the Visual Force page. So after G, we have to print H, DOV. Okay, so now I'm going to print it. So first I'll print on console screen. I'm clicking on execute button. Then I'm gonna print it. So click on debug only. And here I'm getting the date. So a value B, C, D are replaced true, today's date, yeah, find today date. DOV I'm getting, yeah. Then current time I'm getting current time, birth time I'm getting, current date and time both I'm getting. Okay, birth date and time I'm getting. And when I'll print, click on the preview button, I'll get the output. So here I'm getting the output also. Okay, किसी कोई doubt? Do you have any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Good. So any data type is remaining which are primitive, or we have covered all data type?
ID,
ID.
sir.
ID, sir, is the
ID. Yeah. So if you want to store ID, so that time you can use ID data type. ID means record ID. So in ID data type, you can store 15-digit ID as well as 18-digit ID. Okay. So whatever record ID you want to write, you can write it here. Then you can print it. Then I'm going to save it. Okay, now we are going to refresh the page and we'll check the invalid ID. Yeah, now I'm getting the data. So yeah, in this example, I have covered all type of data type. Okay, I have covered all type of data type which we can use. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Otherwise, we will study other thing also. Any doubt till here?
लाइक वी यू आर रिटन इन सर एक पॉइंट था इसमें कि वी इन
हम्म।
एपेक्स क्लास वी राइट आईडी इन 15 डिजिट बट आफ्टर द रनिंग after execute the id will be 18 digit
हम्म।
as a aa3 be added. Sir, why will this happening in this id case, id type case?
जो वो एक रूल होता है केस 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 फाइल्ड। ठीक है, जब भी आप व्हेन यू विल राइट दी आईडी, like if you are writing 15 digit or 18 digit, so first casified rule it will execute if it is in 15 digit record id, so it will convert it in 18 digit. If it is in 18 digit, so that time casified rule it will not execute. Okay, so casified rule will execute. casified rule के बारे में सुना है किसी ने?
सर नहीं सुना सर.
मुक्ता?
यस सर.
ठीक है, तो वो casified rule execute होता है. So what will happen, we have 15 digit record id, so it will convert the 15 digit record id in three part. Okay, so initially five character will come in first part, then okay, medium you can say, mid five character of the record id will come in second part, and last five character will come in third part. What you have to do, you have to reverse the initially five character. Okay, here you can see we have record id 001A0. I have divided into three part. Okay, then what I'm doing, I'm reversing it. Okay, so all the record id I'm reversing 0A100, reverse it, reverse the third one also. Then what we are doing, we are using uppercase A to Z. Okay, So where we are getting uppercase, that on that place we have to write 1.
and the rest of zero.
Okay, 0 1, other things should be 0 0 0. ठीक है, v 1 0 0. Okay, now what we have to do, it's the fourth step. Now look up 0 0 0 0 1 triple 0.
I.
I.
Okay, okay, IAC. ठीक है, I A and C, दिस वन। ठीक है, फिर हमें क्या करना है कि हमें रिवर्स, ठीक है, रिवर्स करना है, अपर केस जितने भी है वहां पे हमें 1 लिखना है। देन वी हैव बाइनरी नंबर। ठीक है, सो इफ यू विल राइट ट्रिपल 0, इट्स द मीनिंग ऑफ, इट्स द ए। इफ यू विल राइट 4 0 1, इट्स द मीनिंग ऑफ बी। ठीक है, जो भी रिवर्स करने के बाद हमें वैल्यू मिलेगी वो हमें कंपेयर करना है। 0 1 0 0 क्या है, आई आ रहा है। ठीक है, तो उस रिकॉर्ड आईडी में आई लिख दो। देन 5 0 मीन्स ए देन सी। ठीक है, तो हमारे पास जो
और
5 डिजिट, जो अभी हमें रिकॉर्ड आईडी मिली थी, उसको हम 15 डिजिट की हम कैसीफाइड से कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, कैसीफाइड से हम कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं इसको।
गॉट इट सर।
ठीक है, समझ में आ गया ना।
कन्वर्ट समझ में आ गया, बट से करते क्यों है ये मेरे को समझना।
क्योंकि क्लासिक में ही 15 डिजिट की रिकॉर्ड आईडी वर्क करती है, लाइटनिंग में 15 डिजिट की रिकॉर्ड आईडी वर्क नहीं करती, 18 डिजिट की रिकॉर्ड आईडी वर्क करती है।
नाउ सर गॉट इट सर।
ओके, ओके, सो what you want, shall I start the non-primitive data type now, or you want to study it
टुमारो।
tomorrow?
टुमारो सर।
Tomorrow. So I think it's enough for today, or you want to learn more?
इनफ सर।
मिश्रा जी के अकॉर्डिंग ये तो एनफ है। अभी और पढ़ना है, 10 मिनट पढ़ा सकता हूँ, 15 मिनट, 15 20 मिनट, इफ इट इज ओके।
Yeah.
No, no, no.
Fine. Okay.
नो सर।
प्रीति मैम, हेना मैम।
Fine till the
Yes,
time that
sir.
मतलब timing is not completed for recording. But अगर सबका हो गया है तो कोई बात नहीं, you can continue tomorrow. दिमाग में जाना जाना important
Okay, so then we will study tomorrow. Okay,
है. Okay. Okay, sir.
so thank you all for joining this session. Bye bye, take
Thank you,
care.
sir.